Hi, I'm Lexi Hart, your RoboBrief host. Today's robotics signal, a Chinese humanoid startup just turned the entire idea of a demo video inside out. Two Tiangong robots rode a real dragon boat in Sichuan, and Max Planck unveiled a flying robot that soars on wind with zero propellers. First story. From June 23rd through 28th, AGIBot, the Shanghai humanoid startup, is running a non-stop global live stream of its robots working inside a real factory. Not a press tour, not a staged demo. Multiple AGIBot G2 humanoids are deployed at Longcheer Technologies' Nanchang plant, handling actual tablet mass production quality inspection alongside the existing line. AGIBot says its robots cleared more than 800 products error-free in the first 3 hours, and by hour 10, the count was past 3,000 items at 100% success. This is a direct shot at Figure AI's 200-hour Sunnyvale sorting marathon. AGIBot is dragging the public benchmark out of the corporate lab and onto a live mass production line where there are no cuts, no retrees, and the camera never looks away. Transparency itself is the competitive weapon. Next. Over in Bazhong, in southwest China's Sichuan province, two Tiangong humanoids from the Beijing Humanoid Robotics Innovation Center crashed the 2026 Dragon Boat Festival. They wrapped zongzi rice dumplings, pounded sticky rice cakes, even tried shadow puppetry, and then sat down in a real dragon boat alongside 6 local human paddlers. When the human rowers paused, the Tiangong units kept the stroke going. The Beijing Center says it took about 2 weeks of training to get those robots ready for an outdoor, wet, unstable 60 stroke per minute environment. The event was billed as an energy relay for the second World Humanoid Robot Games, which Beijing hosts this August. The capability read beneath the spectacle is real. Holding rhythm and balance on a moving boat in uncontrolled river conditions is genuinely hard. And third, researchers at the Max Planck Institute for Intelligent Systems in Stuttgart, working with the University of Stuttgart, just unveiled Floaty, a flying robot with no propellers at all. Floaty is basically a flat plate with 4 movable flaps on top. It rides a rising column of air, the way a kestrel hovers over a highway, and uses a learned aerodynamic model to adjust those flaps and stay perfectly balanced. In Max Planck's wind tunnel, Floaty held its position even when researchers shoved it sideways, recovering at wind speeds up to 10 meters per second. The paper was published this week in MPJ Robotics. The applications they highlight are striking: industrial chimney inspection on the exhaust plume itself, steerable atmospheric sensing, even hypersonic rocket re-entry. The deeper promise is endurance. If a robot can soar on ambient air instead of burning battery against gravity, mission time jumps from minutes to potentially hours or days. That's RoboBrief for June 25th. AGIBot going live, Tiangong rowing the dragon boat, and Floaty soaring without a single propeller. Hit subscribe and check out robobrief.tech for the full stories.